Are you ready to elevate your career in work health and safety? At 3CIR, we offer a comprehensive range of courses designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in this essential field. Our work health and safety courses are perfect for those looking to advance their careers, ensure workplace safety, and comply with industry regulations. From Certificate 4 to the Diploma level, our courses are tailored to meet your needs. With flexible online learning options, expert trainers with real-world experience, and nationally recognized qualifications, you'll be equipped to make a real difference in your workplace. The course was practical and informative.
The course was practical and informative. It really helped me understand the importance of workplace safety.
The flexibility of online learning allowed me to balance my job and study effectively.
Join the 3CIR community today and take the next step in your career. Visit 3CIR online to learn more and enroll now. 3CIR, your partner in education and career advancement.